Good afternoon. This is Holly Hogan, American Public University, student number 4577598. I'm working on lab number 3, the conservation of momentum. So to set up for this lab, I wanted to do this on my yoga mat instead of on the carpet or my kitchen floor. When we did the ramp experiment, I noticed that once my marbles hit the floor, they kind of scattered, and I didn't want that to happen with this experiment, but I also wanted to do it on a surface that would give me the least amount of friction. So I decided to do it on the yoga mat rather than the carpet, because I wasn't sure if maybe the carpet would keep the marbles from rolling the way that they should. So I've set up my ramp with my two rulers here, and I tried to get them just as close as I possibly could together without, making them crooked. And then we'll line up our marbles. I did a test run once already, and since I don't want the marbles to go too far off the yoga mat, I want to put them kind of closer to the top of the ramp here, or the beginning of the ramp, I should say. And then I have this popsicle stick up here to kind of distinguish between the left side and the right side of the ramp. So for the first one, we do flick one marble into 4. So we just go, well, maybe not quite like that. Do it a little bit more gently this time and see if it'll make a difference. So we're just gonna flick, and then if I had done it a little bit harder, and when I did it on my test run, this marble ended up about here. So that's the basic procedure, and then we'll reset for me to do my next trial, which is flick the 2 marbles into the 3, and then we will flick the 3 marbles into the 2, and then the 4 marbles into the 1, and then I'll record how many leave the ramp, or the little runway here, and then I'll reset for part B of the experiment, where we see how many marbles end up on either the left side or the right side of the ramp, of the runway.